Hello everyone. I am so excited that I could not wait to post this video. I'm actually physically coming into work today. So I went out to the garden this morning to take a look to see what was going on. And if you did not catch my live yesterday, you may not be aware that I have 3 watermelons going on. So exciting, so exciting. We will be eating watermelon this year. Hopefully, because it dawned on me yesterday, I was talking to my husband, I hope that a squirrel doesn't eat it. And he was like, that's a thing? And I said, well, I didn't think eating the corn up was a thing. Because we've grown corn forever in that yard. Well, not forever, but, for the time that we've been growing. And not one squirrel has ever eaten the corn. So I think I'm going to move the owl today when I get home from work to ensure, or maybe we'll put the scarecrow out there. Maybe we'll put the scarecrow out there to ensure that maybe, possibly, the watermelons will survive until we cut one. My mother said to me, now just wait until it gets big, Tab. Don't cut it before it's time. Would I do that? Yeah, I would do that. Thanks for going on this watermelon journey with me. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. If you have some tips or tricks or whatever, later on today, what we're going to do is the kids came over, had a seafood thing going, and we had shrimp and everything. So I made sure that I kept all the shells from the shrimp. I'm going to wash them, dry them out, put them in the food dehydrator along with the banana. We're going to crush them up in the Ninja, and we're going to sprinkle it out throughout the garden. So that's going to provide us with some great growth. And we're also in the garden going to plant more green beans. We've gotten a great harvest from the green beans that we have planted right now, but every time we pick them, we just been eating them. And I want to actually can some like I did the last time. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell other people about this channel. Why? Because we're not only choosing joy, we're spreading joy as well. Till next time, bye.